Students, welcome to Katti Mathematics and Science classes. Good morning to everybody. So in this session, that is part 2, circles part 2 session. So we shall study about theorem. So you already studied 10.1 theorem, that is tangents, the radius and the tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. You studied first theorem. Now let us study second theorem. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Students, the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Yes. First, you have to do this statement. First, draw circle. Draw circle. Let us take P external point. External point P. Draw two tangents from external point. Let it be PQ and PR. PQ and PR are two tangents drawn from external point P. O is the center of circle. Students, according to statement, the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Yes. So lengths of tangents PQ and PR. You have to prove that PQ equals to PR. Yes. First you have to write given. O is the center of circle. O is center of circle. PQ and PR are tangents. PQ and PR are tangents drawn from external point P. O is the center of circle. PQ and PR are tangents drawn from external point P. What is to prove? To prove PQ equals to PR. Prove that PQ equals to PR. Yes, students, for proof of this PQ equals to PR, you have to make construction. So, right, take down construction. So, what to do? So, join OQ, OR and OP. Construction is join, and remember students, show the construction with the help of dotted lines. So, dotted lines, construction. Dotted lines. Join OQ, join OR, join OP. So this is what? Construction. Join OQ, OR and OP and OP. Now, proof. Students, proof. Yes, how to prove? Here two triangles are there. Triangle POQ, triangle POR. Prove that these two triangles are congruent. You already studied congruency of triangles in the 9th standard. So, you have to prove triangle POQ and triangle POR, they are congruent. Yes, students, in a triangle POQ and triangle POR, in a triangle POQ and triangle POR. Yes. Here, how to prove? You already studied RHS congruence in a 9th standard, and in theorem 1, that is the 10.1, you studied that the radius and tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. If it is a perpendicular, you have to write 90 degree. So, radius OQ, PQ, tangent. So, they are perpendicular to each other. So, OQP 90. So, OR radius, PR tangent. So, angle ORP 90. So, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular. So, that is why in a triangle POQ and triangle POR, so the angle PQO 90 degree, PRO 90 degree. Angle PQO equals to PRO equals to 90. PQO 90, PRO 90. So reason is radius and tangent. Reason, radius and tangent are perpendicular. Is it? Perpendicular at point of contact. Reason, radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. So, PQO, PRO 90. And students, which is a common side? Common side. How to find a common side? So, this is OP is a common side. Here, POQ, POR. OP is a common side. See, students. In a triangle POQ and triangle POR, two letters are common. Two letters. PO, PO. PO, PO. Two letters common. So PO is a common set. Very easy. PO is a common set. In both triangles, PO equals to PO. PO is the first triangle. PO is the second triangle. Two letters common here. PO, PO. PO in the first triangle. PO in the second triangle. So it is a common set. PO equals to PO, common side. Then, radii of same circle are equal. Radii of same circle. So, in this PO2 triangle, OQ is the radius. In POR triangle, OR is the radius. OQ is the radius, OR is the radius. So, OQ in the first triangle, OR in the second triangle. OQ is the radius in the first triangle, OR is the radius in the second triangle. So OQ equals to OR. That is radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. OQ equals to OR. And students, remember, while writing the theorem, while writing the steps in the proof of the theorem, you must mention the reason. Every step there is a reason. In the bracket, you have to mention the reason. So here, like this. If you write directly, you will lose the mark. Writing the reason in the bracket is very important. If you write only steps without reason, then you will lose marks. So that is why students write the reason compulsory in the bracket. So this is right angle. PQO equals to PRO, right angle. So right angle opposite is hypotenuse. So OP is a hypotenuse. Right angle, OP is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals to hypotenuse. OQ and OR are sides. OQ and OR are sides. So right angle, hypotenuse, side. So it is RHS according to RHS congruence rule. According to RHS congruence rule, so triangle POQ congruent to triangle POR. Students, so this is right angle, this is hypotenuse, this is side. So according to RHS congruence rule, that is POQ triangle is a congruent, POQ and POR congruent triangles. Once if you prove the two triangles are congruent, then apply CPCT. CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here the two triangles from this, what we require? PQ equals to PR. We require PQ equals to PR. Once if you put the two triangles congruent, then PQ equals to PR. That is CPCT. CPCT. So this is the proof. So you have to prove that the tangents drawn, the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So this is the proof, that is PQ equals to PR. PQ equals to PR. So it is the lengths of a tangents drawn from a circle are equal. Next, students, write note. Apply CPC. So here we written PQ equals to Parikhyas theorem. Prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from external point a circle are equal. So you have to write up to this much only. You have to write up to this much. PQ equals to PR. Then, so write note here, angle at center, POQ equals to POR. CPC, POQ equals to POR. They are also equal. Sorry. But it is asked theorem, write up to this much only. Up to this much. So, note first point, that is POQ equals to POR. POQ in the first triangle, POR in the second triangle. CPCT means angles subtended by equal tangents at center. Angles subtended by equal tangents at center are equal. Angles subtended by equal tangents at center are equal. Angles subtended by equal tangents at center are equal. So this is what? First point. Now note second point. Second point is, see here, angle QPO equals to angle RPO. QPO in the first triangle, RPO in the second triangle. QPO in the first triangle and RPO in the second triangle. So here, students, angle QPO equals to angle RPO. It is also CPCP. QPO equals to RPO, CPCP. That is angles inclined at external point. Angles inclined at external point are equal. So, reason angles inclined at external point are equal. Okay, students, I think you understood this theorem. It is a very simple theorem. Here, this theorem right up to PQ equals to PR. Here, I explained that extra points, note 1 and note 2. These 2 points are extra points. So, but you have correct theorem up to PQ equals to PR. So, this is about the second theorem, that is tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. PQ equals to PR. Okay. Yes, students, you studied a theorem, 2 theorems in this circle chapter. Let me take exercise. CBSE 10.1, state syllabus 4.1, state 4.1, CBSE 10.1 circles. The question is, from a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of circle is. Question is, the radius of circle is. Okay. According to statement, first draw circle. And here are 4 options given, students. 4 options. You have to choose the option and you have to justify the answer. So draw circle and center O. So here from a point Q given. From a point Q means Q is an external point. If it is at Q, then Q will be point of contact. If it is at a point Q, then Q will be point of contact from a point Q. So Q is an external point. Q is an external point. And the length of the tangent to a circle is given 24 centimeter. Students, let it be AQ. AQ, or you can take PQ. AQ or is any letter. So external point Q. Next, the distance of Q from the center of circle. From center of circle is 25. From center of circle is 25 distance. And he has to find the radius of circle is OP. Radius of circle OP you have to find. So here the length of tangent is 24. The distance of Q from the center is 25. So find the radius of circle. Okay, students. Here radius and tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. So radius is OP, PQ is tangent. So radius and tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. So OPQ is 90 degree. Angle OPQ OPQ 90 degree because the radius and tangent are perpendicular. Radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. So point of contact is P. At point of contact, the radius and tangent are perpendicular. So OPQ is 90. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. If OPQ 90, Pythagoras theorem. OQ is a hypotenuse. OQ is a hypotenuse. OQ square equals to OQ square, hypotenuse square equals to OP square plus PQ square. Yes. Hypotenuse square, OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. Now, students, substitute the value. OQ, it is 25 square. OP, we don't know. OP square as it is. PQ, 24 square. 24 square. So 25 square is 625. 25 square is 625 equals to OP square plus. Students, what is the square of 24? Yes? Yes, very good. It is 576. 576. Now, 24 into 24. 24 into 24 is 576. Now, bring 576 to the LHS. 625 minus 576 equals to OP square. Now, subtract. Subtract. So, OP square equals to, see here, 15 minus 6, 9, carry 1. 12 minus 8, 4, carry 1. 6 minus 6, 0. So, OP square is 49. So, take away the square. Take away the square, students. It becomes root 49. So, 49 is the square of 7. OP equals to 7 centimeter. So, this is 7 centimeter. So, radius of circle. Radius of circle is 7 centimeter. We have to find the radius of circle is. So, last right. The radius of circle is 7 centimeter. Students, option A is correct. So, 4 options given. So, in this, option A is correct. So, last right. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. In this way, you have to find the radius of circle. In this, use Pythagoras theorem. If a right angle triangle, if you write a Pythagoras theorem, then you will get answer. And remember, in the question, if it is given from a point, then you have to take external point. At a point, then you have to take point of contact. Okay? Yes. Now, second problem. Second problem. The figure is given, students. Figure is given. And the question is, TP and TQ are tangents to a circle with center O. POQ 110 degree given. And angle PTQ is equal to. PTQ is equal to. Yes. Here, options given. Options are 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes. You have to choose correct option. Solution. Solution. So you know that radius and tangent are perpendicular. OP is a radius, PT is a tangent. Radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. So angle OPT. perpendicular at the point of contact. OQ radius, QT tangent, angle OQT 90. So reason radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. Yes. Students, sum of four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of four angles of quadrilateral. So it is angle OPT plus angle OQT plus angle POQ plus angle PTQ. The sum of four angles is 360. So OPT 90, OQT 90, POQ 110 plus angle PTQ as it is. Sum of four angles of quadrilateral is 360. So 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 110, 290 plus angle PTQ equals to 360. So 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 110, 290 plus angle PTQ 360. So send 290 that side. PTQ equals to 360 minus 290. So subtract 360 minus 290. So it is 70 degree. So here correct option is B. PTQ 70. So right correct option. Correct option is B. Correct option is B. Yes, students, I think all of you understood this concept. Okay. Let me continue the next class. So if you not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you one and all.